All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Pot's Love from the outside, rushing up. My Queen. My Queen, the leader, followed by Pot's Love on the outside. Gabby's Choice down on the inside. New Dawn, Lakewood, and Don Vicente is the early trailer. My Queen by about 2 lengths, followed by Pot's Love in second. Lakewood racing in third by another 2 lengths. Running in fourth by a length and a half is Gabby's Choice, New Dawn, and Don Vicente. Inside the last 700, My Queen still hanging to that 2 lengths lead. Pot's Love remains in second. Lakewood down on the inside, alongside is Gabby's Choice. Back to the leader, My Queen, by only a length and a half. Pot's Love remains in second as they race the last 450. My Queen is still leading by a length and a half. Pot's Love still running in second. Gabby's Choice, Lakewood down on the inside. My Queen, Pot's Love is on the outside, but still My Queen by a length and a half. Pot's Love is on the outside. My Queen, Pot's Love, and finally number 5, My Queen, Pot's Love, Gabby's Choice, New Dawn, Lakewood, and Don Vicente comes last.
Okay, fine.